In this era of AI, robots, etc., and what a few, where everything we do is likely AI generated or assisted, we find ourselves asking and questioning what's AI and what's not. Today, I'm going to take a challenge to find out if I'm human. I'm going to take the ultimate test to prove that I'm not a robot. I have no component of AI influencing my decisions. So, yeah, I'll be proving my humanity. I'm not a robot. The basic checkbox you see in every web page when you're trying to visit. So I click it. It says select all the squares with a stop sign. Verify. Ooh. Enter the text below. W V U G Y Q. Let's see. Ooh. Alright. Let's see if it has to be in all caps. Let me click this audio button to see if I have a hint. Cake. Oh, it was all caps. I should have known. Select all the squares with a vegetable. Eggplant is a vegetable technically. Tomatoes are fruits. Carrot is a vegetable. Onions are vegetables, right? Okay. This is not going to be easy. Tomatoes, are they the wrong ones? Ooh.
A few moments later.
Oh, Mr. Potato Head was a vegetable. Okay. Reassemble the intersection. So, this is a typical American multi flyover / intersection. That's what they call them over here. Almost got it. What? No way, man.
One eternity later.
You know, the funny thing is, like, when you do some coding technical questions, they bring up stuff like this to check your logic and how far you can think. So it's a very important part of coding or problem solving. Your ability to figure out where things and put them right. But yeah, let's see. Okay, we got it right. So it says win at tic-tac-toe. I'm a master in this, but only when I go first. Gotta win this. Can't win. So we have to retry. Okay, now I'm going first. Let's do a signature move. I call it 2 places. Alright, so start here, tries to block here, and you win. Okay, Select all the squares with a stop sign and a bike. What? Crossword puzzles are not my thing. Okay. I would like to find the TOP before the S. A stop sign and a bike. This is a bike. Something tells me it could also be diagonal. Okay, so this is the ST.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Are you sure we're not supposed to look for the word sign? SIGN. Let's see.
2,000 years later.
I had to reset it because that wasn't looking good. So select the squares with a stop sign on the bike. This is what I was thinking. Some of these things are arranged out with, so I was up to something. I was missing the word sign. Now I know. This is STOPSIGN. Oh, stop sign and intersect the word bike. Alright. Verify. Let's go. So it says enter the perpetrator's license plate. Oh, this is illegal. Isn't this Las Vegas? Arizona's plate number. Let's see. Easy. Select all the squares with a stop sign. Let's go. Ooh. See what it does? It divides. I'm in for trouble. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Easy.
A few moments later.
Stop sign. Okay, I guess I was missing 3. Reply. Easy. Select all the squares or more. Okay, you gotta catch them. Well, you know the funny thing? If you click the wrong one, you have to uncheck it and then click the right one. You know, when they make that noise, that's when you got them. So you have to patiently wait for a strike. Ooh, these guys are fast. No, I'll just keep reaching for the one I'll set a trap for. This box right here. Ooh, these guys are fast. This is what you call reaction time test. We just got Got you, boy. Got you, good boy. Got you, boy. Let's go. Okay. Got all of them. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Select all the squares with Waldo. Now, I'm not a cartoon guy, not a game guy, so I don't know who Waldo is. I don't know what he looks like. So it turns out Waldo is a character in a children's puzzle. He puts on like stripes, red and white striped t-shirt, and has a blue trouser. So let's see if there's a Waldo in our game. Okay. Now I understand. So there's definitely a lot of stripes. People with stripes here.
One eternity later.
Oh, this looks like Waldo. This looks like Waldo. This looks like Waldo. That's not him. That's not Waldo. Where are you, Waldo? That's him. What? That was him? That's crazy. Select all the squares with a chihuahua. What? When did chihuahua start looking like blueberry muffins? This is crazy. This is definitely not a blueberry muffin. Chihuahua number 1. Number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. That was easy. Select all the squares without a traffic light. Select all squares without a traffic light. Pardon me. So this is going to be very easy. Of course. This is not part of traffic light. It's not part of traffic light. Okay. I'm not a robot. Affirmations. So what am I supposed to do? This doesn't have a rule. Oh, you gotta choose the ones that are affirmation. Why am I choosing the worst of options? Is there only one affirmation? I'm potentially a robot. Ooh. Wait. I'm trying to understand. You can't reset this one. I'm a robot. No? Do you just keep clicking? Because I don't understand. Oh, you just have to prove or click that and to say you're not a robot. Okay, that's fine. Park the Waymo. I bet. Hide the Waymo in a parking spot. Use arrow keys to drive. Here we go. Give us some mice. 3 the JS. I know that was what I used. I'm good at driving. That's not a question. You won't even know the car left there in the first place. See how perfect it is? Good. Alright. Uh-oh. It's orange. Oh. Ooh. This is interesting. Okay, I'm safe. I am very safe. Okay, that's how you drive, boss. That's how you drive. Enter the text below. What in the world is this, please? Someone explain to me. Oh, I see. So, there's what we call X, Y, and Z axis. The thing is that with this, even though they're in a 3D plane, across the 3D, across 3 dimensions, or across the 3-dimensional space, you can see that they still maintain a certain horizontal order, even if not obvious. So you see this comes before this, which comes before this, which comes before this, which comes before this, which comes before this. So it's going to be P2 7G2P. Let's see. Don't play with me. Alright. Draw a circle that is at least 94% accurate. I've always dreamed of this day. Let's see. Too slow. I gotta try again. So, too close to the dot. This is 86.5% accurate. Alright, let's go again. Alright, I already feel, bro. You know who's gonna excel here? People with a touch screen computer. I should have known things like were coming. Oh, I'm just messing up now. $93.5. This is what a 94% perfect circle looks like. To me, that's 100% perfect. I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna be it for now. So I'm gonna come back mentally prepared for the next stage. Like, comment, subscribe to Dev Santos. I'm gonna be dropping more skits, more creative videos, more motivational videos, more Christ-centered videos, and also more coding videos. So stay tuned, guys. Definitely coming in hot in the next few days. I'll catch you guys later.